A 30-story building in Myanmar lies in ruins. More than 1,000 are dead and thousands are injured. Rescue teams are racing against time to find survivors. This is the aftermath of the 7.7 magnitude earthquake that hit Myanmar and Thailand and surrounding regions. One of the deadliest earthquakes to happen in recent years. The hardest hit region is Myanmar's Mandalay, where over 1,000 fatalities have been confirmed. The quake toppled the buildings, destroying roads and leaving entire neighborhood in ruins. Meanwhile, in Bangkok, Thailand, a 30-story skyscraper under construction collapsed, killing at least 10 people. But the bigger crisis is nearly 100 workers are still trapped under the debris, and rescuers are desperately trying to reach them. Emergency teams in Myanmar and Thailand are battling extreme challenges. Roads are damaged, bridges have collapsed, and aftershocks continue to shake the region. Every minute that passes reduces the chances of survival for those still buried under the rubble. The global community has responded swiftly. India has sent a search and rescue team, medical staff, and emergency supplies. Malaysia is deploying 50 relief workers to provide aid. The United Nations has allocated $5 million to kickstart relief efforts. Russia and China have dispatched rescue teams, food, and medical supplies. The focus now is on rescue and recovery, but experts warn the worst might not be over. Aftershocks could lead to more destruction and thousands remain at risk. Right now, Myanmar and Thailand are fighting to recover from this devastating earthquake. But with still so many missing, the search for survivors is far from over. We'll continue bringing you updates as the story unfolds. Stay tuned.